Hello guys, welcome back to Rider Protocol. We are here at DSK Hyosung showroom. I just got my bike for servicing. I had minor problem with the front fork, so I just came here to get it tested and see what I'm testing today. First review of the TVS Champ 60. So let's go, and here we go. Oh, there is one Audi coming up! Oh shit! This is the 98 model, guys. The TVS Champ 60, which has a pedal. There is no U-turn here. Oh, where's the horn? That's the reaction of people. People are literally staring at me, testing. Yes, this TVS Champ comes with a minor 60cc engine, and probably this horsepower should be 2.5 or 3 maximum. And in case if this bike's off, let me switch it off. Yes, it's off now, and see how to start it. Oh my god, yes, it's on, and we need to put up the stand. The TVS Champ 60, guys. Oh my god. Staring at a motor vlogger and the TVS Champ, the girl dropped her mobile phone. This is how you start it. And let's go. I'm sorry guys, the kilometer is not running, but I'm sure with full acceleration this is going at around 30 or 40. Oh. They're looking at my fancy helmet with the camera, and they're looking at this TVS Champ. ಇವನು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು TVS ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾವನೆ. But trust me guys, my first bike was a TVS XL Super. I used that for around some 1 year's time, and then I got an Apache 150, and after that I got a Pulsar 220, and now I ride the Hyosung. See the acceleration. Kick. Oh my god. The horn is this side, guys. Obviously now motorbikes it will be on this side. Wonderful. And if you want a clear look of the bike, TVS Champ 60 power put, Ferrari and Valentino Rossi's 4.6. Okay guys, this is it for this video, and I hope it was fun. And this is owned by Sadik from the service unit. He uses this and he's a part of the servicing crew at Hyosung. And when I got my bike for the checking of the fork oil, I just saw this bike and I decided to have a short ride on it. It was fun. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.